Hi, Ken. What are you doing?
I'm going to take a bath.
Great. Have fun. What's that?
This is a towel.
A towel? What's it for?
I dry off with my towel.
I see. And what's that?
It's a toothbrush.
Oh, a toothbrush. Are you going to brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Very good, Ken. That makes me wonder. What are some other things we can do in the bathroom? You can use the toilet. Use the toilet. Don't forget to wipe. Wipe with toilet paper. Wipe. Finished? Flush the toilet. Flush the toilet. Flush. Soap your hands. Soap your hands. Soap. Wash your hands. Wash with water and soap. Wash. You can have a shower. Shower. Or you can take a bath. Bath. You can play with bubbles in the bath. Play with bubbles. Do you have bath toys? What about a yellow rubber duck? Do you have a rubber duck? Put the rubber duck in the bubbles. Rubber duck in the bubbles. All done. Let's dry off. Dry with the towel. Dry. What do we do with the toothbrush? We brush our teeth. Brush teeth. Brush. Put on the toothpaste. Toothpaste. Brush teeth. Brush from side to side. Brush up and down. Brush the back. Brush the front. Brush your tongue. You can brush your teeth with a friend.